Hello students, now we are going to study the next exercise of course extension 1 to 2, that is exercise number 2. In last exercise we have discussed about the extension systems of university, agriculture university of our MPKV Rauri. So second exercise is the organization of group discussion. Basically, in extension number of teaching methods are there. Out of that teaching method, some teaching method you need to be study practically. So in that one is the group discussion. It is very important, useful technique, and it is going to be used by agriculture assistant or field workers for delivering information to the farmers. So first of all, we will see what is the group discussion. Group discussion म्हणजे काय? चर्चासत्र. Okay. So group discussion is also called as a group thinking conference. The activity in which thinking process is going to be carried out. Thinking is going to be carried out regarding particular issues, particular problems by all the members in a group. What is actual definition? You need to give the definition. It is going to be asked. So discussion may be defined as group activity. Group activity, that means two or more than two people come together and try to carry out this activity, where number of persons meet together, two or more than two persons, they come together, meet together, try to understand and solve. They try to understand and try to solve a particular problem. Number of people come together, try to understand and solve a particular problem which is common to them. The problem which is common to them. Problem which is common to them, that means each and every persons of that group is facing that problem. For example, what you can say, the irrigation facility for the village, approaching road for the village, drinking water facilities for the village. So that is the common problem, common issues. So people come together, try to understand that common problems and try to solve it. So in that, while solving that problems, they are going to carry out the thinking. So that is the group discussion. It is also defined as the form of discourse which occurs when two or more persons recognize the common problem. When two or more than two persons recognize, that means identify the common problem, exchange and evaluate the information. They try to exchange the information which they have. They try to evaluate the information. Evaluate the information, that is which information is useful for us to solve that problems, ideas in effort to solve the problem. The information, the ideas which is useful to solve that particular problems, regarding that they are trying to carry out the discussion. So you can write any one definition of group discussion. This one is the better one to write in an exam. Now the basic purpose of group discussion is the sharing information about specific topic. Discussing, carrying out the discussion regarding particular topic, whatever the knowledge we have, whatever the experience we have, we are going to share it with other person. And second one, analyzing, evaluating the information to get some general conclusion. Analyzing the information, analyzing that particular problems to find out the conclusion. The group discussion is an organized exchange of views. Basically, we are going to organize, we are going to exchange our views, our information, our experience to each other. That is the group discussion. Now in exam, practical exam, you might ask, what is group discussion, or give the definition of group discussion, explain its objective, planning, implementation, etc., etc. So one by one we will discuss that points. Okay. You will be asked a broad question in a practical exam. For 10 marks you might be asked, explain the group discussion in detail. So first point under the group discussion is the objectives. What are the objectives of group discussion? First, it helps in better understanding the problem and pooling knowledge, experience of human persons. Better understanding of the problem by each and every person. That was the first one. Drinking water facility. Why it is not present? What is the main issues? What solution we need to find out? Okay. To generate new ideas, methods, and select the rational one through group interaction. List out number of solutions. पर्याय शोधून काढायचे. And which one is better? कोणता पर्याय चांगला आहे? Which solution is better? That we have to find out. Third one, to act a safety valve for reducing the tension, removing the misunderstanding. Whenever we are getting frustrated, when we are getting tense, we need to discuss that particular issue with other person, with our brother, parents, relatives, friends, That helps when we are going to discussion that issues with other person, it reduces our attention. It helps to remove the misunderstanding also. If certain issues is there, and if we are going to make discussion about that issues with that particular fellow, our misunderstandings will be removed. जर काही वाद झाले असतील, जर त्या विषयावरती आपण जर चर्चा केली तर आपले विषय सॉल्व्ह होऊ शकतात. मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग झाल्यामुळेच वाद होतात. मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग जर रिमूव्ह झाली, मग कसे रिमूव्ह होतील? जर डिस्कशन केलं तर. सो दॅट इज द मेन इश्यू. इट हेल्प्स टू रिड्यूस सेफ्टी वॉल. दॅट मीन्स इट ॲक्ट ॲज अ वे फॉर रिड्युसिंग टेन्शन, रिमूव्हिंग द मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग. तुमचं मिसअंडरस्टँडिंग रिमूव्ह करायला ग्रुप डिस्कशन उपयोगाचं आहे. टेन्शन रिड्यूस करायला ग्रुप डिस्कशन युजफुल आहे. टू मेक डिसिजन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डिस्कशन अमंग ऑल मेंबर्स. We are able to take a proper decision by making discussion with all the members of the groups. We are able to take a proper decision. Exchange information, improve the understanding of the topic. Sharing the information and understanding of the particular topic. To plan a program or an action plan. Okay, this is the problem, these are the solution. Now how to implement that solution? कसे वापरायचे, कसं सोल्युशन चा वापर करायचा, अंमलात कसे आणायचे. हाऊ टू इम्प्लिमेंट द सोल्युशन. इम्प्लिमेंट म्हणजे वापर कसा करायचा, अंमलात कसं आणायचं. सो दॅट ॲक्शन प्लॅन, which kind of action we need to take so that we are able to solve that problem. So that action plan we are able to decide. So that is the objective. In brief, you can see better understanding of the problems, generate new ideas, method to solve the problems, act as a safety valve to reduce tension, make decision on the basis of, make a decision, whatever on the basis of discussion, exchange the information, improve understanding, and make an action plan. So these things we are able to do with the objectives of, through the group discussions. That are the main objectives of group discussion. Then planning. Okay, so that are the objective for organizing the group discussion. Which plan we are able to do, what plan we are need to do for organizing this activity. आता ही ॲक्टिव्हिटी करायची तर प्लॅनिंग काय असणं गरजेचं आहे. Decide the topic, issues or problems to be discussed. Which problem we need to solve, which topic we need to discuss, that we have to decide first of all. That is the thumb rule. Decide the topic. Decide the date, time, place of group discussion. Okay, कधी करायचं, केव्हा करायचं, कुठं करायचं. So that we have to decide. Main thing, it should be convenient to the member. मेंबर्सच्या कन्व्हिनियन्सनुसार ठरवणं गरजेचं. Identify the members for formulating groups and send them invitation circular in advance. Identify members, which member we have to call, that we have to decide, and then send a circular to them to participate in the discussion. Make the required arrangement like sitting, audiovisual aids. All these arrangements we need to prepare before carrying out the discussion. Select a group discussion leader or chairman among the members. We have to select, or a particular person has to be act as a chairman of discussion and give required advice to him about conducting the discussion. We have to decide on which way we have to carry out the particular discussion. Have reference material for discussion of the topic. Reference material means we must have books, we must have information, we must have certain data, knowledge before carrying out the discussion, before deciding the solution for the discussion. So that is the planning. Main thing is decide the topic, date, time, place, decide the members, inform them, make a necessary arrangement. Easily you are able to recall it. Okay. Select the leader and you must have some material with you for a discussion. Likewise, this point can be useful for planning the discussion. Try to understand, before carrying out any activity, you have to make a certain kind of planning. So that is this planning, where to do, how to do, about what we have to do, who have to invite. Likewise, we have to continue. Then conducting and implementing the group discussion. Actually implementation, actually conduction, actually कसं घ्यायचं. Start meeting in a time, make group comfortable. We have to start meeting on date, time particularly, and we have to make group comfortable. That is, sitting arrangement should be proper one. Introduce the member to one another. एकमेकाची ओळख करून घेणे. The leader should announce the topic, purpose or importance of discussion. We have to announce the topic. Why we are going to organize the discussion? What is the objective regarding that activities, discussion that we have to announce? Ask member to express their opinion one by one. Ask the members to express their opinion, express their thoughts, express their information. लोकांना बोलायला लावा one by one. Conduct the discussion in a democratic way. सगळ्यांना बोलायला वे आउट द्या. इन अ डेमोक्रेटिक वे म्हणजे लोकशाही मार्गाने डिस्कशन कॅरी आउट करा. लोकांच्या म्हणण्यानुसार डिस्कशन कॅरी आउट करा. Allow shy members to speak and control the excessive talkers. Allow shy members, those people are not going to speak in discussion. Allow them to speak, motivate them to speak and control excessive talkative persons. जे जास्त बोलतात त्यांना कंट्रोल करा. Keep discussion friendly and informally. We need to carry out discussion friendly. Informal climate should be there, environment should be there. There should not be any bossism in that particular discussion. Pressurize नको. There should not be any pressurize in a discussion. Then do not discourage the speaker, hear what he think. Who is going to speak in that discussion? You should not discourage them. नाव ठेवू नका. सपोज एखाद्याने एखादं मत मांडलं तर त्याला नाव ठेवू नका. ट्राय टू लिसन व्हॉट ही इज गोइंग टू स्पीक. जे बोलते ते पूर्ण ऐका आणि त्याला नाव ठेवू नका. कीप द डिस्कशन ऑन राईट टॅग, फोकसिंग ऑन द मेन इश्यूज. मेन इश्यूज काय, तुमचा मेन टॉपिक काय, त्याच्यावरती डिस्कशन चालू ठेवणं गरजेचं. यू मस्ट कॅरी आउट डिस्कशन ऑन रिगार्डिंग टू मेन टॉपिक. इनेबल ग्रुप critically examine and diagnose the problems. Make group. Enables means helps group to critically diagnose the problems. Examining the problem. What is the main problem? What is the main issues? That issue must be discussed. That problem must be discussed. Leaders should keep discussion moving but not drive it. Discussion moving means discussion should be carried out. चालू राहिलं पाहिजे. It should be in a continuous way. But it should not drive. Drive, that means leader should not lead the discussion. लीडरनी स्वतःचं मत मांडू नये किंवा लीडरनी एम्फासाइज करू नये. स्वतःचं मत किंवा स्वतःचे निर्णय लादू नयेत. लीडर ओपिनियन मस्ट नॉट डॉमिनेट द डिस्कशन. ही शुड नॉट ड्राईव्ह इट. दॅट मीन्स हिज ओपिनियन शुड नॉट डॉमिनेट द डिस्कशन. लेट द पीपल टू डिस्कस. लेट द पीपल टू डिसाइड द सोल्युशन. गिव्ह शॉर्ट समरीज ऑफ डिस्कशन टुवर्ड द डिसिजन्स. Whatever the decisions are going to be taken, you need to note down that decisions. List out many solutions as possible. Identify appropriate and feasible one. List out the solution. Whatever the solutions are suggested by the people, by the members, you have to list out. For example, 100 solutions are given. You have to list out them. And then identify appropriate and feasible. Which is feasible one? Feasible म्हणजे वापरता येण्यासारखं आहे. जे अप्रोप्रिएट आहे, जे योग्य आहे, दॅट सोल्युशन यू हॅव टू आयडेंटिफाय. एक्सटेन्शन एजंट शुड नोट डाऊन द इम्पॉर्टंट पॉईंट्स डिस्कस ड्युरिंग द मीटिंग. दॅट इज मिनिट्स ऑफ मीटिंग. यू हॅव टू प्रिपेअर द मिनिट्स ऑफ मीटिंग. वॉट एव्हर द डिस्कशन इज गोइंग टू बी कॅरीड आउट, you have to make a record of that discussion. You have to write down the information of that discussion. Likewise, you have to carry out the planning, implementation. Likewise, you need to conduct the group discussion activity. After discussion, there is a follow-up. या ॲक्टिव्हिटी झाल्यानंतर काय करायला हवं. एका दिवसाने, 2 दिवसांनी, महिन्याने. व्हॉट यू नीड टू डू आफ्टर 1 month or after 2 days, 3 days, 4 days. Extension agent means extension worker who is working at a village level. Agriculture assistant, talati, gram sevak, that one. Extension agent should circulate the minutes of meeting. While implementing, conducting, you are going to prepare here last one, that is you have to prepare the minutes. Whatever the points are discussed, whatever the decisions are taken, you have to note down it. That is nothing but the minutes. So, after preparation of the minutes, extension should circulate the minutes of meeting to all concerned members. We have to circulate it to all the members for getting the action done. Whatever the decisions you have taken, you have to circulate that decisions to members so that the members will try to carry out the actions. Extension should help member in getting technical information or any other required assistance so that desirable actions can be taken by the member. Extension should help the member, help the farmers, help the members of the group discussion for getting technical data for implementation of that activity. If they require any assistance, if they require any help, extension worker has to provide them help, so that the desirable actions will be taken by the members. जेणेकरून मेंबर्स ते काम करतील. मग काम करताना त्यांना काही मदत लागत असेल, ते ॲक्शन करताना काही मदत लागत असेल, काही इन्फॉर्मेशन लागत असेल, सो दॅट वी नीड टू प्रोव्हाइड. दॅट इज द फॉलो. So that is about the objective planning, implementation, follow-up of group discussion. Now what is the advantages or merits of group discussion? फायदा काय? It is a democratic method allowing each member to express the opinion. Each member can share their views, each member can share their knowledge, each member is able to give the decisions. So whatever the decisions are taken, end product is nothing but the decision. End product is become better in terms of knowledge. We are going to share the information. The knowledge and experience are shared better. We are able to share experience, knowledge with each other in better way. The process of thinking is systematized. Thinking process is going to be carried out in proper way, systematic way. Group mind is superior to individual mind. Individual person is not able to take a decision in proper way. Might be decision might going to be wrong. But if group is going to discuss, then we are able to take a proper decision regarding finding the solutions or anything. It creates high degree of interest among the member. Interest is going to be developed. High degree of interest will be created if each and every members are going to participate. प्रत्येकाला चान्स मिळाला, प्रत्येकाला मत मांडायला मिळालं. The people will come forward and try to perform the activity, try to take the responsibility to perform the actions. So high degree of interest among the members is going to be developed. Then group action is encouraged. People will come forward, take the responsibility, try to do the activity. Healthy group spirit is developed, stimulated. Planning implementation is made easy. Easily you are able to make a plan, easily you are able to carry out the actions as people involved. Misunderstandings are avoided. That is most important. Misunderstanding break the group. Misunderstanding create the conflicts. So that we are able to remove through the group discussion. It helps in development of leadership. We are able to develop the leadership qualities, leadership role. We are able to give responsibility of a leadership, perform the leadership role to the members of the group. So it helps to develop the leader among the members, among the people. So that are the advantages of group discussion. महत्त्वाचं कसं आहे, लोकांना जर इन्व्हॉल्व केलं तर चांगलं काम होतं. लोकांना मत मांडायला दिलं, त्यांच्या मतानुसार निर्णय घेतले, त्यानुसार जर ॲक्शन्स करायला सुरुवात केली तर इट विल बी बेटर. आणि मग लोक पुढे येतात, जबाबदारी घेतात आणि कामं करतात. सो दॅट इज द मेन ॲडव्हान्टेजेस ऑफ ग्रुप डिस्कशन. नाव डिसॲडव्हान्टेजेस, लिमिटेशन. वाईड व्हरायटी ऑफ इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स, indisciplined members may spoil the quality of discussion. Large number of members are there. If large number of members are there, then group discussion will not be carried out in proper way. It will spoil the group discussion. खराब होऊन जातं group discussion. Village fraction, social political situation may hinder the use of this method. Village faction, विवाद असतील, सोशल पॉलिटिकल इश्यूज काय असतील, सो दॅट आर गोइंग टू हायंडर म्हणजे मागं टाकणे, हायंडर द यूज ऑफ दिस मेथड. नको म्हणतात लोक. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ग्रामसभा कधी अटेंड केली असेल तर बघा, नसेल केली तर करा. इन ग्रामसभा नंबर ऑफ ऑल द ॲडल्ट वोटर्स आर गोइंग टू पार्टिसिपेट इन ग्रामसभा अँड number of conflict situations are arises, quarrels are arises in Gram Sabha, and the people are unable, or higher authority is unable to take the decision. So this may hinder the use of this method. It is not suitable for the topic for which the members are new. If the members are not aware about a particular topic, then they are unable to express their thoughts. It is time-consuming method. It requires time. For taking decision, immediately an individual person can take immediately decision. But if you want to take a decision by making discussion among the members, then you need to call them, you need to discuss, then you need to prepare the minutes, and then decisions will be taken. So it is time-consuming method. Some time requires much time to arrive at desirable decision. बऱ्याच वेळा काय होतं, लवकर निर्णय घेतला जात नाही. नुसतंच इश्यू डिस्कस होतं. ग्रुप हार्मोनी कॅनॉट बी क्रिएटेड, इस्पेशली वेन ग्रुप लार्जर ऑर हेट्रोजेनस. ग्रुप हार्मोनी म्हणजे एकसारखेपणा. वी आर अनेबल टू टेक अ प्रॉपर डिसिजन. वी आर अनेबल टू कन्क्लूड अ particularly one decision. Why? Because of heterogeneousness. Heterogeneous means differ in age असतील लोक. If people are differ in age, education, experience, then we are unable to take a proper decision. If group is large, we are unable to take the proper decision. Size of group has to be limited for effective discussion. If you want to make a discussion more effective, then the size of group should be limited one. It is not possible to take decision in times of crisis of emergency. If emergency situation is there, you are unable to conduct the group discussion. Immediately you need to take the decision. Crisis म्हणजे एखादा अवघड परिस्थिती आहे किंवा एखादी अतितातडीची गोष्ट असेल की जिथं निर्णय घेणं लवकर घेणं गरजेचं आहे. क्रायसिस किंवा समजा कुठं दुष्काळ पडला किंवा खूप जोराचा पाऊस झाला, वादळ वारं झालं, क्रायसिस झाले एकदम. सो इन दॅट सिच्युएशन वी आर अनेबल टू कंडक्ट द ग्रुप डिस्कशन. इमिजिएटली वी नीड टू टेक अ डिसिजन. सो दॅट इज द लिमिटेशन्स. So that is all about the group discussion. How to organize, what are the objectives, planning, implementation, advantage, follow-up, limitations. So all these things you need to explain how to organize the group discussion. Okay. Now second part of that group discussion is the types or techniques of group discussion. It is also going to be asked. Define group discussion, explain the different types of group discussion. Very simple types are there. Try to understand. First one is the lecture. Lecture means the general lecture which we are going to organize in a college. So it is a method of verbal presentation of topic by the speaker. That means teacher is going to present the information verbally. म्हणजे तोंडी माहिती देतो. Okay. Use of audio visual aids while delivering the lecture is more effective. If you are going to use the audio visual aids, LCD projector, audio video clips, if you are going to use it, then that lecture will become more effective. Lecture facilitates presentation of information in a systematic way. In systematic way, we are able to give the information to the audience, to the students, in logical sequence. From start to end, we are able to give. The chief limitation of lecture is the passive role of the audience. Passive role means audience are not in active mode. Audience are just going to listen. Students are just going to listen the information, that's all. They are not going to perform any activity. They are not going to come forward. They are not going to do any work in a class, in a lecture. So that is the main limitation of this lecture. The next one is the panel discussion. Now what is the panel discussion? A panel or group of 3 to 4 experts in specific area of specialization may invited to address the group of trainees on a particular subject. This kind of discussion we are going to see in on television, especially in a news channels. So 3 to 4 experts regarding that particular issues, regarding that particular topics, come together and try to discuss that issue among themselves in front of the audience. The mutual interactions of panelists among themselves and with the audience can lead the effective understanding of the topic. That means panelists, that means that experts are going to discuss that topic among themselves, and also they are going to discuss with the audience. By that way, the proper understanding of that topic can be possible. That is panel discussion. Then debate. Debate means वाद विवाद. The common pattern is to have two teams. Basically, in a debate, two teams are there. One representing affirmative, other negative. Affirmative means one represent the positive side of that topic, and other is going to represent negative sides of that particular topic or question. Usually there are two speakers in each side. In a group, two groups are there. In each group, one speaker is there. So that speaker is going to discuss that information with each other. Each speaker is given definite time to make his main speech. After announcing topic, each speaker given a particular time to find out some issues, and rebuttal after the main speech have been completed. That means some time is given for finding out the information. The range of subject for debate is limited to controversial topic. Debate we are able to carry out only for the controversial subject. Controversial means वाद-विवाद, वादग्रस्त असेल तर. Only for that issues we are able to carry out the debate. For example, right now what we can say, the issue of Kashmir. Okay. Or what we can say, right now the issue is regarding coronavirus. So that is the controversial topics. How to solve that coronavirus impact. Use of vaccine, whether to take vaccine or not, controversial one. Okay, regarding Kashmir issues, lots of issues are there regarding Kashmir state. So how to solve it? Okay, so that are the controversial subjects. The subject which have both positive and negative issues. So that topic we are able to discuss in a debate. Now next one is the symposium. Now symposium means a series of talk on different aspects of single subject. Topic is one, but series of talks are going to be carried out. Series of speeches are going to be carried out in a symposium. It is a meeting in which small number of resource persons present short paper on a given topic. It is meeting in which a small number of resource person. Resource person means expert. Only 3 to 4 experts we can say. They are going to present short paper on a given topic. Short talk they are given in that session on particular given topic. The chairman introduced the topic to be discussed. Chairman is going to introduce the speaker and topic and inform the audience about the speaker. The chairman is going to introduce which topic he is going to speak, on which he is going to speak, and also he introduced the speaker, who that expert is, who that resource person is. Each one speaks for a definite period of time, present different phases, subdivision of that topic. Specific time is given to the speaker, for example 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and within that 10 minutes, 20 minutes, half hour, the speaker has to give the information to the audience. Symposium is similarly meant for information gathering at a professional level. That means only professional persons gather together and they are going to share that information with each other. The next one is the forum. It is a discussion period that may allow anyone of the above method of presentation. That means whatever the methods right now we have discussed, lecture, debate, symposium, so that method we are able to follow in a forum. Any one method we are able to follow. It consists of the question period in which members of the audience may ask question or make brief statement. In this method, the members from the audience are going to be asked the questions after conducting lecture, after conducting symposium, after conducting panel discussion. The members from audience are going to ask questions. So asking question by the audience, that is called as forum. Okay. The forum provide an opportunity for the audience to clear up obscure points. The forum provide opportunity to audience to clear up the points and raise question for additional information. If there are any doubts, obscure points, that points can be cleared by the audience by asking question to the speaker. Also, they can raise the questions for getting additional information. That can be carried. Especially best example of forum is the Patrakar Parishad, press conference, in which speaker is giving information to the reporter on particular issues, and after giving information, the reporter will ask questions to the speaker. That is forum. Then buzz group. It is also known as Phillips 66. Now here the large number of people is divided into small groups. If a large group is there, for example 30 members are there in a group, so that group is going to be divided into small groups of 5 to 6 members, in which topic is discussed in a limited period of time, and that group of 5 to 6 persons, this one is going to discuss topic among themselves. Okay. This is called buzz session or hurdle system or Phillips 66. म्हणजे मोठा ग्रुप छोटा करायचे, छोटे छोटे ग्रुप करायचे, त्यांना तो इश्यू डिस्कस करायला लावायचा. The groups are that particular groups. This group is expected to react and produce ideas, opinion and questions. It is expected from this group that they should produce the ideas, they should produce the opinion within the limit time and make oral report for that groups. They have to discuss these issues among themselves. They have to discuss that issues within limited time and then make a report, oral report, whatever they have discussed among themselves regarding that particular issues. मग त्यांच्यामध्ये जे काही डिस्कशन झालं त्याचं एक रिपोर्ट तयार करायचा आणि सादर करायचं. The main purpose of this discussion is to facilitate the proper discussion among themselves, to facilitate the all members to discuss that particular issues among themselves. Involvement of every member. We have to involve each and every member in that particular discussion. The next one is the workshop. Now, what is the workshop? Basically, this is a special type of working conference, usually for a week or more duration. It is going to be carried out for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or for a month. It is going to be carried out. That is called as workshop, working conference. There are lectures and individual conference. Emphasis is given on small working groups. In this workshop, number of lectures are organized, conferences are organized, and main emphasis is given on working of small groups, working in a small groups. Okay, like this in picture you can see it. Workshops are generally used for professional improvement, professional updatation. For example, if I am working here as an assistant professor, some workshops are organized in which if I am going to attend that workshop, I will get the updated information regarding my subject. जे काय updated knowledge आहे my subject related ते मला तिथं मिळू शकतं. Updated knowledge घेण्याची प्रोसेस म्हणजे प्रोफेशनल इम्प्रूव्हमेंट. ओके, अँड इन सर्व्हिस ट्रेनिंग. Especially it is organized for in service training. Workshop is going to organize in service training means those persons are actually working or they are performing a particular job, who are working in particular organizations. For them, these training sessions are organized. These workshops are going to be organized. Now, the elements of good workshop programs. How that workshop will become good one, effective one. If there is lectures or we need to follow these things while organizing our workshop, there should be a lectures by the experts. Small group meetings should be organized among the participants. There should be a library facilities for organizing the workshop. Individual consultation study should be carried out. Individual guidance should be given. Study must be carried out by the people, participants. Informal group discussion should be carried out among themselves. Recreational facilities should be there among the members. So these things we need to facilitate while organizing the workshop for the member. Then brainstorming. Now brainstorming is main thing is a thinking process. Okay, in this type of discussion, problem is given to the group consisting few knowledgeable people. Problem is given to the group of members to carry out discussion on that particular person. The peoples are majorly knowledgeable, that means resource person, and they are asked to produce as many solutions as possible within a given period of time. That means a topic is given to the experts, group of experts, and they are asked to do number of solutions to solve that particular issues. It is the form of thinking that I have told you. Brainstorming is nothing but the thinking process in which judicious reasoning gives way to create initiatives. Its purpose is to promote the group activity. Basically, it is thinking process in which judicious reasoning, that means judicious means useful solutions are given so that we are able to create a particular initiatives. By that way, we are able to launch a particular program in a society. By that way, we are able to solve a particular issues of the society. So creative initiatives can be possible with the help of brainstorming. Then the next one is the seminar. Seminar conference somewhat same. In seminar, a discussion paper prepared by the participant, that means paper is prepared. For example, whatever the research work is carried out by a particular person, on that research work, a paper is going to be prepared by the scientist. and they are going to represent that paper in that seminar. The seminar enable a study in depth to be made in specific area under the guidance of experts. What is the use of seminar? A study in depth to be made in a specific area under the guidance of the expert. That means under the guidance of expert, we are going to carry out the study, and then we are able to present that study in the seminar among the experts. Then conference. Next one, conference. Conference is gathering people for brief period for initiative intensive discussion. Gathering of people, collection of people for a brief period, that means for a period of 1 or 2 days for discussion particular issues. They are generally held for period between 2 or 3 days. 2 दिन साठी ऑर्गनाइज केलं जातं. Pulling up group of experience and opinion among the group of people who have special qualification in that area. Especially in this conference, those people are called, those are expert or those have a particular qualification in that particular areas. For example, there is a conference of doctors, so only doctors are going to participate in that conference. Conference of engineers are there, conference of teachers are there, so only teachers are going to participate in that particular conference. So these are the 10 types of different techniques of the group discussion. So 2 types of questions will be asked in exam. One is how to organize the group discussion. In that you need to write definition, objective, planning, implementation, follow-up, advantage and disadvantage. Second, explain the types of group discussion. So these are the 10 types of group discussion you need to prepare for it. Also, whatever the meaning of the these types are there, that meanings, particular statements regarding these types are going to be asked in a objectives of the group discussion, objectives in a final practical exam. So accordingly you need to prepare for it. Also you might be asked short note on give the advantage and limitations of group discussion. Likewise, number of questions will be asked on this topic. So this topic is very much important from practical exam point of view. Okay, in practical session, you need not to prepare any activity, you need not to do any analysis, but in practical also theoretical examination is there, in which near about I think 30 marks is for explanation, right, in a theoretical information. 6 marks is for objectives and 4 marks is for YY examination. Likewise, distribution will be there for the practical. So theoretically you have to give the answers of the questions of 30 marks in a practical session. So I am telling you that the question 10 mark question will be asked for the how to organize group discussion or the types of group discussion. So accordingly you need to prepare for this group discussion. Okay, thank you.